Let's see how you can turn on or turn off the 120 Hz ProMotion refresh rate on your iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, or iPhone 17 Pro Max. So if you don't know what ProMotion is, it's basically Apple's display technology that makes your screen refresh at 120 times per second instead of the standard 60. What this means is that everything on your iPhone feels a lot smoother. Scrolling through apps, swiping between pages, and animations all look more fluid and responsive. It's a really nice feature, especially if you've been using older iPhones with 60 Hz displays. Now the good news is that with the iPhone 17, Apple finally brought ProMotion to all models, not just the Pro versions. So whether you have the regular iPhone 17, the 17 Pro, or the 17 Pro Max, you all have access to this 120 Hz display feature. So let's see how you can enable or disable it. Open your Settings app and scroll down a little bit until you see Accessibility. Tap on that, and then you want to tap on the Motion option. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see an option called Limit Frame Rate. Now here's how it works. If you want to use the full 120 Hz ProMotion display, make sure that Limit Frame Rate is turned off. When it's off, your iPhone will automatically adjust between 1 Hz and 120 Hz depending on what you're doing. So when you're scrolling or playing games, it'll go up to 120 Hz for smooth motion. But when you're just reading text or looking at a static image, it'll drop down to save battery. But if you want to disable ProMotion and lock your display to 60 Hz, then turn on Limit Frame Rate. Why would you want to do this? Well, some people prefer to save battery life, and running at 60 Hz all the time does use less power than constantly switching between different refresh rates. So if you notice your battery draining faster, you can turn on Limit Frame Rate and see if that helps. So that's it. Turn off Limit Frame Rate for the smooth 120 Hz experience, or turn it on if you want to lock it to 60 Hz and save some battery. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and I'll see you in the next one.